Cree just reported its earnings. The thing that I would like to point out, the preliminary is 25 cents versus 26 cents. Capital IQ consensus estimates were that the revs are 304.1 million versus the 309.61 million. Another miss. However, because of the amount of short sells on it, is we're going to look to see if it does sell down or not. The low obviously was 23.11 and the high was 23.88, and you're printing right now at 21.80 by $22. So we're going to be taking a look at Cree. We'll find more about the earnings. That's the knee jerk to this stock that has been heavily shorted, and we're going to see if the invert as we find out more about the earnings as we come up off that bottom here all the way back up toward that top and break it and break through it, because it would already be priced in. Cree was a great short. It could not come through. It's got a heavy short interest, but we do got some puts on it. And they're $20 puts, I'm being told, and we have 10 of those. So the thing about it is we're making money on this side of the trade short. We're going to look at how we can get net long. And I got a live bid at $20.60 on Cree, C-R-E-E, for right at the moment. And that way we're going to continue to see where we make this bottom. Here's the print. Right here is the after hours chart. And here's where it fell off of, right here. Right here, 23.40. Okay? And this is the bottom in after hours trading. Yeah, here's 21.40 going to come into play. We're going to see if it breaks this, or does it start to get that support level like it's doing now. Like it's doing now. Okay, go ahead and pop 300, Mr. Plain, long at 55 cents. And let's see if we hold the 55 cent level in here on the bid. It's 25 cent. Hey, just have him do it, please. Here we go, right here, right now. That's that bottom at that 21.65. We're going to see if it holds 21.55 because we're short. Why not? So here it comes, 55 into play. Let's see if we can hold this price level. He didn't want to print. He printed 59 and 60s live. Live, after hours trading on the good old Cree, C-R-E-E. I remember shorting it up there at around $75. Cree misses by a penny. They miss on revs. I would like to let people know that the company does issue the downside guidance again. Okay, and I canceled that one bid at 55 pennies just for a moment. Either they're going to show us that they want to be on the other side of it, and that this downgrade that they're coming out with, this downside guidance, is priced in it right here or not. The thing about it is it's yet to be determined that once again it's guiding down again, and its gross margins of 35 to 36. Accounts receivable net decreased 9.3 million from the Q1 of the 2012 fiscal, to 156.4 million. As far as that goes, the thing that I'm looking at, the Q3 revs are 290 to 310 million versus the 320 million expected. The non-GAAP gross margins, I already said, 35 to 36. Account receivables net going out to a certain amount of days. Inventory did decrease, that's good, by 16.3 million from Q1 of fiscal 2012 to 187.4 million. And represents an 85 days of inventory levels. That's good, because they're trying to get their inventory level in line with their what? Downside guidance. So once again, we're going to keep monitoring it. We'll see if it wants to hold that area or not. I posted the earnings. I'm going to conclude Cree. It's trying to put that bottom in, Mr. Plain. So I would say either they're going to discount it or they're going to bring it up and you're going to have to get net short. I'll give you the order. It will remain at 22.90. Okay? And we're going to see if they try to put that reversal spin and see how much legs it's got. You can see here that it still remains weak. That concludes the Cree after hours trade and the short and, of course, the net long.